Hello, everybody. I decided to do a video to kind of show you exactly what you need to do to put the advisory document in your classroom so you can avoid problems of all the students getting on the document at one time. So I'm going to start off with the actual document I sent out to everyone. You're going to click this link here, and it should force a copy for you to make a copy of your own. So I'm going to hit make copy. And I want to change this copy to Parks. Once I make that copy, it is in my Google Drive. So now I can actually exit out of that document and find it back in my Drive. So once I go back to my classroom, like I said, my document's already made. All I'm going to do is go to classwork, hit create assignment, title it 9-week advisory chart. Going to not grade it. There is no due date. I'm going to pull in the actual document using the Google Drive icon. And here is my copy. All right, so once I actually have that in, I'm going to change this to make a copy for each student. So then that way each student has their own copy, and then all the students are not typing in the same document, and we can avoid situations like what happened today. And then I will hit assign. And that's it. There's my chart. The students will fill it out and it's done. After they actually turn all their charts in, what you're going to do is go back to your Google Drive. And you're going to look for the folder that says classroom. And here's my folder, classroom. I'm going to double click there. And I'm going to find my advisory class. And there is my 9-week advisory chart. What you're going to do to get the information back to me, you're going to right click, you're going to hit share, and you just type in my email address and hit send. You're done. That's it. That's all you do for every single advisory. Thank you.